Hi and welcome to the Price Action Analyst YouTube channel. I'm back here with another cryptocurrency review. I had a request for ONT, which is not sure the name. ONT. So I haven't looked at this before. There's your all-time low. Basically the same thing as most other coins. Price appreciation. And then a big reduction and a reduction over time and then a consolidation. So this coin, I'm going to say that this coin is still in its consolidation phase. So you have these lows, these series of lows here, and then you have a push through, and then that low acts as resistance. You know, if you're short-term trading futures, you'll hit that retest short. And then it's come up again, and that's acted as a resistance again. So, you know, it's starting to push through this level now. So expect, and this strength here, I think, you know, it's broken this level. You've seen weakness off this level again, but I think price is going to move back inside this consolidation, this triangle pattern. So, this is consolidating and or you could maybe say still in a downtrend. So it's not something that I would pursue, not yet. So volume's kind of, as this is pushed up here, volume's picking up, which is promising. You know, it's being bought out of this level. So, you know, there seems to be increased interest here. So I would expect that this is going to come back inside here substantially, like start having closes inside here, and then it's eventually going to test this line here, and then it's a matter of seeing what happens here. Ideally, where I would want to become involved is kind of, you know, price will come up. Come on. Maybe do one of these. That, you know, I'm not cared about how big this is, but, you know, whether it's that big, it needs to be a substantial push. Like, it can't just be a series of wicks that poked outside and comes back in. That's not a breakout. It needs to close outside here and, you know, like a push up and maybe with a volume spike, and then the retest to this trend line. Especially you're retesting the trend line, but you're also this previous high here inside the consolidation pattern, especially if you get air pushing outside that retest of this high and this trend line. That's the long that you want to hit. That's where I would get involved. And I'm getting involved here because that's an ideal place. You know, that's where you get buying support and you get an immediate push out. But also when it does this up leg, it's now signaled to me that, all right, it's in an uptrend. This is the start of an uptrend. So until it does that, I don't want to buy anything that's consolidating or in a downtrend. So I would wait to see something like that before I get involved with this coin. And it's probably going to do that. This kind of looks, you know, this, if it rockets up through here and this was the low, that wouldn't surprise me, I guess is what I'm trying to say. And so in terms of the breakouts, you know, that is a substantial breakout, right? That's a substantial breakout. If you go to the bar, there's air there, and so I'd be looking to hit the retest of the air and or the retest of this trend line. And so you know, a substantial buying support is, I mean, it's hard to see there, but you know, you might have not been triggered long there, but that is indeed where you started to see the buying support, and it pushed out of this level. So that's, you know, I'm not hitting these. If you hit these long, then you're stuck for long periods of time. I want to get long here. So that's what I mean by a substantial breakout anyway. So I want to see something like that here, and I want to look to hit the retest long. So yeah, and I always feel bad doing this because people, you know, I assume if you're asking me for a review of a coin, you own it and you're emotionally bought into it, which is fine. But from my price action analysis, it's not something that I would get involved in just yet. But if it does that, like let's say it does that, it's not far off. If price does the right thing from here, you know, this is a really, really rough estimation, and this, you know, there's no, but like August, September maybe, if it does that, and it could do an infinite number of things. So, you know, my approach is more of looking through coins to find coins that are doing that are in that position, and then I'm investing in those coins. I'm not getting wedded to the fundamentals of a coin and hoping it'll do that. I'm searching for price action that's doing what I want and then trading it. So hopefully that's helpful. If you like this review, please like the video, please subscribe to the channel, please follow me on Twitter at Price Analyst, and if you have any questions or more requests, please let me know in the comments, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.